The elevator doors closed, and water started pouring in. It rushed through the vents, rising fast, ankles, knees, then their chests. Within seconds, it hit their necks. They couldn't even reach the open button. If they didn't act immediately, the elevator would become a metal coffin. They climbed onto the handrails, pressing themselves against the walls just to breathe. One person called 911. Another called the only help nearby, his roommate. The water kept rising. The ceiling was getting closer. Before rescuers could arrive, the roommate forced the doors open. Seconds later, they stepped out alive.